What is indefinite integral of cosine 5x by dx? Usually, we have some additional info about function f of x. In our case, f of x belongs to real numbers and is integrable in that domain. From symbol dx, we know that the differential of variable x indicates that the variable of integration is x. In that case, to solve this integral, we may apply so-called u-substitution method. We do it in order to modify the integral in the way that enable using some of formulas for finding integrals. Now, we try to substitute expression 5x. We say u is equal to 5x. We also have to know what the derivative of u is. So, we write derivative of u equals d 5x. From rules that we can apply to derivatives, we know that derivative of 5 multiplied by x is equal to 5 multiplied by derivative of x. Thus, we have du equals 5 multiplied by derivative of x. But what we want to have is expression that we insert to our main solution instead of the x. So after division of both sides by 5, we've got du divided by 5 is equal to dx that we were searching for now. Let's make use of our u. We insert u instead of 5x to our main equation, and instead of dx, we now use expression with our substituted variable u, which is du divided by 5. We have now integral of cosine u multiplied by du divided by 5 in our main equation. We can rewrite this expression knowing that du divided by 5 is just 1/5 multiplied by du, and as it is a constant, we may put it in front of the equation and outside the integral sign. To do so, we apply formula which says integral of a multiplied by s by ds, where a is some constant, equals a multiplied by integral of s by ds. In our case, s is cosine u and a is 1/5. We now have our main equation as 1/5 multiplied by integral of cosine u by du. Perfect! Now we can apply formula for solving integral of cosine s by ds, which equals sine s. We also must add constant c to make sure that we have all our solution taken into account, as our solution make whole class of function, not a single one. In our case, s is equal to u, then we've got 1/5 sine u plus constant c. But it is not the end of our solution. We must come back to our problem, and it was formulated using variable x. We used u substitution, and now we must come back to x. So instead of u, we now insert 5x. We've got 1/5 sine of 5x plus constant c as a result of our problem. Finally, indefinite integral of cosine 5x by dx is equal to 1/5 sine of 5x plus constant c. If you have any questions, just write them down in comments section below. If you want to see more our videos, don't forget to subscribe.